So in this video we are going to see a brief explanation of how the features of ERP works and what are the features of it. So the ERP is a complete management tool for your institute where you can manage your admissions till the exit of your students completely paperless. We have this option over here. We have three panels. One is the admin panel, one is the student and the teacher panel. So over here we have in this admin panel, the first option is the birthdays, where you have a list of student birthdays which are registered. And then you have the administration, that is where you can view your list of admins who are already there, and you can also add an admin. So when you add an admin, you can give them the options where you can select a module or any sub-module. If you do not want to give them the access to the entire 35 modules that you have in the ERP, you will be able to give them only one or two modules, and they'll be able to only view that modules in their dashboards. The other modules will not be seen. Then you have the institute setup, where you have institute details. You can enter your institute details. Then you have groups and classes, class sections, caste categories. A backup of your database can be recorded from here. Student bulk upload is available. If you have any discount type for your student, you'll be able to update your discount type. Subject categorization. Then you have your SMS setup, where you'll be able to provide your setup, that is your API link from your service provider, and you can set templates from there. Then you have certificate issuing, where you can issue different types of certificates like bona fide, character, experience letter, or any fee notice, undertaking letter, any kind of certificates that you would want to issue to your students. You have your front office management, where you have your enquiry form to know how many inquiries have come in, the list of inquiries, where you can pull out a report for how many inquiries you currently have, and you have, if you have admitted any students from that inquiry list, you'll be able to see that database here. You have an admission form here, which shows you basically, it gives you an option to add the students with all their details when they walk into your institute for an admission. And you have a student option over here, where you'll be able to search by roll numbers or sections, search by any student record, update any class record of male female ratio, category wise data, age wise data can be, so you can produce all these reports that can be brought from the ERP. Then you have fee management. Fee management is basically where you'll be able to manage your complete fees of your students, where you have add fees, the fee details. If you are waiving off any fees, you'll be able to update that here. Paid fee list can be got from here, category wise list, the day book, and the pending fees. Then you have assignments, where you'll be able to assign the assignments to your students, including the deadline can be given. You have study material, where you can upload topic wise, unit wise books. You have staff, where you'll be able to add the department, add the staff. Your HR department to manage all your HR activities, that is your vacancies, resignation letter, letter of appointment, and everything. You have your payroll, that is your entire annual leave calculation, tax or PF that has to be issued, any pay slips that have to be issued. And you have accounting. This works like a complete tally software, where you can manage your balance sheet, your ledgers, your incoming cash and outgoing cash and everything. And here you have your inventory management to manage all your goods what you have. Then you have transport, where you can track your transport, that is your student pickup point, any board list, vehicle list. Also have a GPS tracker installed. And you have timetable, where you can update your timetable class wise, staff wise, and view if there are any free stuff and assign them. Then you have a library over here, where you can update all your logs over here, how many books you have and everything. You have an examination, where you can export, add exam, export an exam, assign subject wise marks, report card, student report, institute report, and student rank. Attendance management, where you'll be able to give attendance slip, student management attendance, edit attendance, staff attendance, and everything. Your hostel management, where you'll be able to see all your room allocation, room availability, and everything. You can send internal messages to your admin staff or students and to everybody. You'll be able to send it internally, which will be updated on their dashboards. Then you have ID card printing, where you can add the ID card images and staff and student wise. Back office, where you'll be able to manage all your couriers and letters. Then you have SMS, that is also again to all the students and the teachers whose numbers are updated in the portal, and to all the inquiry list. If you want to send an SMS to anybody, you'll be able to do that. Then you have a send notice option. That is, you can view your sent notices, your replies that you received, and you can filter by staff and students. You have a help desk over here, thought for the day, photo album and video, where you can upload all your extra events that you have conducted. Any holidays that is upcoming, you can update over here. Helpful links. Security is your basically visitor management, where you can upload your records of how many people have visited the school or the institute on a daily basis, and you can generate a report for that particular month or the particular week, however you want it to. You have a backup database again, where you can take a backup of your complete database. Your knowledge base is updated over here, where you can create category and add the articles. Your notice board and your role management. In your role management, you'll be able to add all the from and to of the academic. Here you have the module, you have a sub module, action, and you can search by the management. So this is basically how the ERP functions, and we will see it in detail in our next video.